Moomoo Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and relevant tools are in the description. Moomoo is a commission-free trading platform designed for active traders and investors who want advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and a professional-grade trading experience. It offers stocks, ETFs, options, and margin trading with powerful research tools that rival traditional brokerage platforms. Moomoo is best suited for traders who need in-depth technical analysis, fast execution, and access to global markets, all without paying high fees. Key features. 1. Commission-free trading. Trade stocks, ETFs, and options with zero commission fees. 2. Advanced charting and technical analysis. Moomoo provides over 60 indicators, customizable charting, and real-time Level 2 market data. 3. Extended trading hours. Investors can trade during pre-market and after-hours sessions. 4. Global market access. Trade stocks from the US, Hong Kong, and China markets with real-time data. 5. AI-powered insights. Moomoo offers AI-driven analytics and stock screening tools for better decision-making. 6. Paper trading and learning resources. A risk-free paper trading feature helps new investors practice strategies. 7. Low margin rates. Competitive rates for margin trading make it attractive for leveraged investors. Strengths. Professional-grade tools, suitable for both beginners and experienced traders looking for powerful research capabilities. No commissions. Cost-effective trading without hidden fees. Real-time market data. Level 2 quotes and in-depth analysis give traders an edge. Access to global stocks. Trade beyond US markets with international stock offerings. Paper trading for beginners. Helps new investors practice before using real money. Weaknesses. Complex interface. The platform's advanced tools may be overwhelming for beginners. Limited asset selection. No cryptocurrency or bonds, focusing mainly on stocks, ETFs, and options. No traditional banking features. Unlike some brokers, Moomoo doesn't offer checking accounts or cash management services. Final verdict. Moomoo is a powerful trading platform for investors who want real-time data, advanced charting, and commission-free trading. It's ideal for active traders, but may be complex for absolute beginners. If you're looking for a high-tech platform with strong analytical tools, Moomoo is worth considering. Links are in the description if you want to explore it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.